Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, you guys, I just found the kitchen that is the actual definition of a dream home. I am totally obsessed and I have to tell you about it right now. This is a modern Tudor kitchen, but it's done so organically that it feels like the coolest hybrid house ever. Wow. Okay, look at the walls. It's all this rich textured red clay brick. It is giving major rustic mansion vibes. But then they paired it with these super clean cream-colored cabinets. It's like historic drama meets total elegance. This contrast is insane, honestly. And the ceiling? Forget about it. It's vaulted, like sky high, maybe 15 feet at the peak. The dark wood beams crossing over, they add so much warmth and structure. It's totally not cramped, which is the drama of so many older homes, right? This one feels expansive and airy. The island is huge, too. We're talking 7 feet of counter space, perfect for brunch or just unloading groceries. And check this out. They have 3 sinks. 3! A big farmhouse sink on the island and 2 more under these massive grid-pane black windows that just pour natural light into the whole 18-foot wide space. If you love cooking, this layout is a game changer. No more boring, dark kitchens. This space is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.